What does a content manager do? Here are some of the tasks commonly associated with a content manager: crafting compelling copy for web pages, blog posts, social media accounts, and more. Developing creative ideas for content campaigns that engage readers. Ensuring all created content is relevant to the company's brand and ideal customer. Optimizing SEO performance of existing and new pages with relevant keywords. Managing a team of writers, designers, and other creative professionals to ensure the production of high-quality content. Analyzing the success of content initiatives and developing strategies for improvement. Being a content manager is no easy feat. It takes an incredibly creative mind and skillful organization skills to be successful. Content marketing is a key component to the success of any business, and it requires a knowledgeable content manager to ensure that all efforts are well executed. If you have an eye for detail and an appetite for success, it may be worth looking into becoming a content manager. To learn about content development, check out our previous video.